In today's video, I've got an exciting review for you of the CQUARTZ Maintenance Bag. Now I'm going to keep this short and sweet and try to keep it under 3 minutes. Alright, to get to the point, the things I imagine everyone is wondering is 1, is it worth the value? 2, how many products does it hold? 3, what is the build quality like? And 4, would I recommend it? To give you the TLDR, yes, I absolutely 100% would recommend it. The kit is only $49.99 from CarPro's website. Not only do you get the bag, but you also get 5 4-ounce samples, a 500 ml dilute bottle, 2 4-ounce spray bottles, and a toothpaste microfiber towel. So when you price that out, the bag actually only comes out to be about half the price you're paying, around $25 or so. What blows my mind is that you can find similar quality bags by other brands for up to $100, and this thing is just incredible. It uses ultra premium materials with a really nice heavy duty plastic zipper, nylon straps, and a faux carbon fiber finish. The inside is lined with some type of reflective material, which personally I'm not really sure what the point of that is, but it just adds to the overall aesthetic of the bag. Okay, so how many things can this thing hold? So I have this not even fully loaded right now. It's actually pretty close to capacity. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have a 500 milliliter Geon bottle, 500 milliliter CarPro bottle, 500 milliliter dilute bottle, and I've got 2 of the small 4-ounce sprayers. I've got microfiber applicator, and currently I have 4 microfiber towels. I've also got my leather coat in here and the strap, and there's probably enough room for 4 or 5 more microfiber towels. That's a lot of stuff. Inside there are 8 dividers for bottles and then 4 compartments for towels and other accessories. Overall, it's about a small to medium sized bag. The largest dimension is only 16 inches. Compared to me, really not that big. One of the things I really like about this bag is it's the perfect size to fit in my sub trunk. That's it. I promise to keep it short. I hope you guys will like and subscribe.